in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Complete shutdown will be observed tomorrow against the extrajudicial killing of 4 civilians by Indian troops in Srinagar. Call for the strike has been given by the illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarat Alam Butt and the Hurriyat Forum led by Mirwais Umar Farooq and supported by almost all Hurriyat leaders and organizations and High Court Bar Association. Masarat Alam Butt, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, appealed to the Kashmiri people to organize mass funeral prayers in absentia for the martyrs and hold protest rallies after Jummah prayers. He also asked the people to conduct marches towards the houses of martyrs of Altaf Ahmad Butt and Dr. Mudassir Gul in Srinagar and Amir Ahmad in Banihal Ramban. The Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Muhammad Umar Farooq, said the Kashmiris are victims of daily FAC encounters, disappearances, extrajudicial killings, torture and humiliation by Indian occupation forces. APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement, said the killing of 9 innocent civilians in FAC encounters in Srinagar and Kolgam in just 4 days shows that bloodthirsty Indian troops have let loose a reign of terror in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, Indian police resorted to brute force on the protesting family members of Dr. Mudassir and Altaf Ahmad Butt and civil society activists during a sit-in protest at Press Enclave in Srinagar. The police personnel, led by Superintendent of Police, arrived in armed vehicles, snuffed out the candlelight vigil, and subjected the protesters to torture before detaining them. Lawyers associated with Kashmir Bar Association held protesters in Srinagar and Islamabad against the civilian killings by Indian troops in Hyderpora, Srinagar. The protesting lawyers demanded an impartial probe into the extrajudicial killing. The Mirwais-led Hurriyat Forum, Hurriyat leader Abdul Ahad Para, People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti and National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah in their statements condemned the police action against the family members of martyrs and civil society activists. National Conference leader Ruhullah Mehdi equated the nocturnal raid by Indian police on protesters with the brutal action of British General Dyer in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on 13th April 1919. In Washington, families of Muslim prisoners of conscience incarcerated in India during a virtual U.S. congressional briefing informed the Congress members how the Indian government has been jailing human rights defenders, religious minorities, journalists, students and activists in false criminal cases.